I'm David Schneider, your trusted estate planning attorney. Today we're speaking with Chris Housel, Housel Tax and Accounting. Chris, as an estate planning attorney, unfortunately I have to take the call. One of the spouses has passed away. And of late, it seems more often than not, those spouse that passed away, they were the bookkeeper. They were the one that did all the household finances. Now I have to speak with the widow or the widower who really doesn't know what to do. How do we start them out?
Yeah, that's a very hard call to talk about, and it just emphasizes the importance of if you're the bookkeeper, if you're the one that's handling the finances, paying the bills, and your spouse is kind of in the dark, or you don't have them do any part of it, leave lists, leave account statements, leave instructions on what it was they're doing, so it makes their job when you're gone a lot easier than it would be if you don't. But a lot of times I get those calls and those instructions weren't left behind, and so I kind of, and being a CPA, I'm sort of the quarterback for my clients. So it's like, yes, I can do your taxes, I can do the tax planning, but hey, I also know people that work in insurance. I know people that do estate plans, financial planning. And so a lot of times I'm in contact with all those parties, and it's just a matter of kind of explaining what each of our individual roles are. And sometimes it's a lot of hand-holding, and it's kind of explaining to that spouse what we do and how we can help them get to the next step and take over those responsibilities or delegate them to somebody.
So that surviving spouse doesn't have to just throw their hands up in the air and say, I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
They have somebody to start them on a checklist, if you will.
Yeah. You and I and many of the people that we know are service professionals. We're out there to serve the client. And these are the types of situations that kind of fall outside what we do on a daily basis, but they're vitally important.
I think that utilizing these lists as you're talking about, or even a computer folder on the drive there that shows the statements, that makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
Chris, this has been fantastic information. Thank you very much. We've been speaking with Chris Housel, Housel Tax and Accounting. Chris, let everybody know how they can reach you.
Sure. I can be reached at www.houseltax.com.
I'm David Schneider, your trusted estate planning attorney. Thanks for listening.